Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start immediately by preparing the system. First, make sure you have 10% free or at least 20 GB available so updates can unpack. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator and set execution policy to remote sign so scripts run. This prevents permission errors later. Next, stop the Windows Update service with netstop WUSERV to avoid file locks. Doing these steps now prevents common interruptions and speeds the repair process. Now you'll focus on the core repair sequence. Begin by renaming the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to force Windows to recreate update data. This removes corrupted caches. Then run dism with /restore health to fetch and fix component store corruption. This step repairs the engine that applies updates. After dism completes, run sfc/scano to scan and repair protected system files so update installers have correct components. These commands together fix most missing security and quality fixes. Finish by restarting the update services you stopped and reboot the PC so changes take effect. After the restart, check Windows Update and install available security and quality fixes. You should see downloads progress. If Windows Update still fails, download the specific cumulative update from the Microsoft Update Catalog or apply the MSU manually. If problems persist, capture the error code, reset your network and firewall settings, and try again. Knowing the code speeds targeted troubleshooting and avoids wasted steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.